Hey guys, welcome and thank you for joining us. We're here to talk about your smart connected TM6 and all the amazing things you can do with it.
What are we going to explore today?
Today we're going to look at one of the handy features, and that is cleaning your Thermomix with the built-in pre-clean function.
Wow, so does that mean it's even easier to clean my Thermomix?
It absolutely is. And in actual fact, some of the recipes have the pre-clean function inbuilt. For example, the honeycomb. When you scroll down and have a look in the preparation, you've got the pre-clean function there.
I love that feature.
Yeah.
And how does the pre-clean function actually work?
Really simple. So I've just melted some chocolate a moment ago. We're going to select our pre-clean function. There it is. And all we need to do is pop in some water and a drop of detergent. And that is it.
That's so simple.
Just a drop. We'll select our dial and away it goes.
Oh, so easy.
That's done.
Wow, that was so easy and so quick.
Very easy and quick. Have a look at that. Nice and clean.
Oh, nice and clean. It got all the chocolate off the bottom as well.
It did. So that's just one of the many functions in your TM6. Stay tuned for more videos.